Did you know that a malfunctioning steering wheel angle sensor can lead to accidents? With studies showing that alignment issues cause nearly 9% of all car crashes? Today, we'll talk about the symptoms of a bad steering wheel angle sensor and how catching them early can save you from costly repairs. Location and function. The steering wheel angle sensor is usually found in the steering column, right behind the steering wheel. It's often built into the steering wheel assembly or placed in a module along with other parts like the clock spring, which connects the steering wheel's electrical systems to the rest of the car. This sensor helps by tracking the position and movement of the steering wheel. It's really important for systems like electronic stability control and other safety features that help keep your vehicle stable and safe on the road. But here's the kicker. When the steering wheel angle sensor starts to fail, it can mess with your car's handling and stability. The first symptom is squealing tires during turns. Squealing tires during turns can be a clear indicator of a faulty steering wheel angle sensor. This sensor helps your car understand how much you're turning the wheel, and if it fails, it can lead to improper wheel alignment. As a result, you might hear your tires squealing due to excessive friction. The second symptom of a bad steering wheel position sensor is excessive play in the steering wheel. This happens when the steering wheel angle sensor isn't sending accurate data to your car's systems. As a result, you might notice a loose or vague feeling when you steer. This can make your driving experience less precise and more difficult to control. The third symptom of a bad steering angle sensor is misalignment. When this sensor malfunctions, your vehicle might not maintain proper alignment, causing it to pull to one side or have uneven tire wear. This misalignment can impact your car's handling and safety. By the way, if you're finding this information helpful, why not take a second to hit that subscribe button below? I'll give you a sec. Got it? Great. The fourth symptom of a faulty steering wheel angle sensor is inconsistent lane-keeping assistance. This sensor helps your car's lane-keeping system detect your position within the lane. If the sensor fails, you might notice that the system doesn't correct your steering as effectively or frequently as it should. This inconsistency can make it harder to stay centered in your lane and might impact your driving safety. Keep an eye on how well your lane-keeping features are working. Any irregularities could be a sign of a failing sensor. The fifth symptom of a bad angle steering sensor is the car pulling to one side frequently. If your car frequently pulls to one side while driving, it could be a sign of a faulty steering wheel angle sensor. This sensor helps ensure that your vehicle's alignment and steering are synchronized. When it malfunctions, it can cause uneven steering responses, making your car drift or pull to one side. The sixth symptom is traction control light being activated. Now we're getting into some more serious symptoms. If your traction control light frequently activates, it might be due to a failing steering wheel angle sensor. This sensor plays a critical role in your vehicle's traction control system by providing data on steering angles. When it's malfunctioning, the traction control system may mistakenly detect a loss of traction and activate the warning light. This can affect your car's handling, especially in slippery conditions. The seventh symptom is if the steering warning light illuminates on your dashboard. This light indicates that the sensor is not functioning properly or is sending incorrect data. As a result, your vehicle's steering response and safety features could be compromised. The eighth symptom is when the electronic stability control gets disabled. When the electronic stability control or ESC system gets disabled, it could be due to a malfunctioning steering wheel angle sensor. The ESC system relies on accurate data from the sensor to help keep your vehicle stable, especially in challenging driving conditions. The ninth symptom is if your car switches to emergency mode. The most critical symptom of a failing steering wheel angle sensor is if your car switches to emergency mode. This mode is designed to limit vehicle performance and prevent further damage when a major issue is detected. If your steering wheel angle sensor fails, your car's system may automatically enter emergency mode to avoid dangerous driving conditions. This can significantly impact your vehicle's drivability and safety, so it's essential to address this issue as soon as possible. How much does a steering angle sensor replacement cost? Replacing a steering angle sensor can cost you anywhere from $100 to $250 if you go with an aftermarket part, but some brands might cost more. For labor, you're looking at another $100 to $500, depending on your car's make and model. Prices can vary, so it's always good to get a quote that's specific to your vehicle. Can I DIY a steering angle sensor replacement? If you're comfortable with car repairs, you can replace the steering angle sensor yourself. It's usually located behind the steering wheel, so you'll need to remove the wheel, disconnect the battery, and take off the steering column. Keep in mind that the location can vary. Some cars have it in the steering gear, and some may even have two sensors. We've covered the symptoms of a bad steering wheel angle sensor. For more helpful tips and car maintenance advice, subscribe to our channel and watch our next video.